Hi there, this is Gabriela with another video about how to do campaigns with Morning Robot. Ranking social media pages, that's what we are talking today. We are talking about Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. If you rank your page, definitely you're gonna get more likes and followers. I took this one for a sample. We can add in our campaign the URL, or also really important if adding some posts on the social page that are related to your content or comments that have the keyword inside will help the social media page rank faster. If you find a comment with the keywords, or we are talking about here about what we do or the keywords we want to rank for, that's definitely the post you want to use, like this one or this one or this one. You can add it in this area like your body site. Something really important when you doing this is add the social URL in the social tab and also in the traffic tab. That's gonna provide an extra boost. Important, really important to talk about is you are doing campaigns to your Facebook page, please you can add it to social tab and traffic tab. Really important to do it in this area. We go here and add here, click here and add it, or we go here to the traffic. You're going to do your URL and then the keyword you want to rank for. But remember, when you put it on traffic or social, you need to keep running campaigns to that link. Don't do it separate. Everything is together. It's a sync between everything. The social pages are ranked in the same way as a regular site, like I told you in the beginning. I hope this is gonna help you understand about how you do, what is the difference definitely between one web page and the other one. Okay, please let me know on the comment area if you have any question, and until the next one.